Hi everyone, in today's video, I'll show you guys how you can find Netflix password on your iPhone. Well, it's quite easy. So first of all, you need to open your password application, which is by default on your iPhone. So after opening the password application here you'll need to tap on the search bar right here and simply type for Netflix. So after doing that, here you can see Netflix is right here. Simply tap on it. And just like this, you'll be able to view your username and your password. If you want to view your password, you can simply tap on it. And here you can see your password just like this. Sometimes you might not be able to find your password right here. So you might have saved it to your Google. So all you need to do is simply open your Google. And after opening your Google, you need to tap on the profile icon right here. From where you'll need to scroll down a bit and you can see the option of passwords. Tap on it. And then from here, now tap on the search bar and search for Netflix. Just like this, here you can see netflix.com is right here. All you need to do is tap on it. And just like this, you'll be able to view the username. And in order to view your password, all you need to do is tap on the edit button right here. And then you'll be able to see the username, including your password. And that is it. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.